Hello everyone. My name is James. Today we'll be talking about Neville Goddards' manifestation techniques. We'll discuss how to create a scene, speak as if, feel the feeling, believe and receive, visualize, take action, let go, ask and receive, be present, be grateful, release negative thoughts, and manifest with others. So join me as we explore these powerful manifestation tools and learn how to manifest your desired outcomes. Let's get started. 12 of Neville Goddards' manifestation techniques. 1. Create a scene. Create a vivid, detailed scene in your mind of the outcome you desire. Use all your senses to make the scene as real as possible. 2. Speak as if the desired outcome has already happened. Language is powerful, and speaking as if what you want has already occurred is a powerful manifestation tool. 3. Feel the feeling. Feel the feelings of having the outcome you want. Feelings are energy, and energy attracts like energy. 4. Believe and receive. Believe that you will receive the outcome you desire. Have faith and trust that what you want will come to you. 5. Visualize. Visualize the outcome you want in your mind. See yourself having already achieved it. 6. Take action. Take action towards achieving your goal. Even if it is a small step, take some kind of action every day. 7. Let go. Let go of the outcome. Detach yourself from the outcome and trust that it will happen. 8. Ask and receive. Ask for what you want and be open to receive it. This can be done through prayer, meditation, or visualization. 9. Be present. Be mindful and stay in the present moment. Focus on what you can do now to manifest your desired outcome, not what may or may not happen in the future. 10. Be grateful. Be grateful for what you already have and for what is to come. Gratitude is a powerful manifestation tool and will help attract more of what you desire into your life. 11. Release negative thoughts. Let go of any negative thoughts or beliefs that you may have about yourself or your desired outcome. Release any fear or doubt that you may have. 12. Manifest with others. Manifest with others who have the same outcome in mind. This will create a powerful manifestation field and increase the likelihood of the desired outcome manifesting. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click on the old man to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and like it if you did. On the left of my picture, I added 2 videos that I think you'll enjoy. Neville Goddard was an influential 20th century spiritual teacher and author who wrote extensively about the power of imagination and its ability to create our realities. His teachings have inspired countless people to make positive changes in their lives and to realize their dreams.